Stop gambling your hard-earned money on 2026 models that are built to expire. Today, we're looking at the true immortals of the automotive world. These are the 5 Toyotas that mechanics call the forbidden list. Because if everyone drove these, repair shops would go out of business. You asked 1,000 mechanics which car they would drive across the country with zero notice. 900 of them would say the 2014 Toyota Camry. In 2026, while new cars are filled with fragile sensors and overstressed small engines, the 2014 Camry remains the gold standard for start-it-and-go reliability. This model features the 2.5-liter 2ARFE 4-cylinder engine. In the world of engineering, this motor is a masterpiece of simplicity. It doesn't have a turbocharger to fail, it doesn't have complex cylinder deactivation, and it uses a timing chain that, if you change your oil, will outlast the rest of the car. We are talking about 300,000 to 400,000 miles of service without a major teardown. That is the kind of peace of mind you just can't buy in a showroom today. The mechanic's reality check. Even the king of reliability has a few things you need to check before you hand over your cash. The torque converter. Shudder. This is the big one for the 2014 models. Between 20 and 50 miles per hour, you might feel a slight vibration or shudder. Toyota actually extended the warranty for this back in the day, but in 2026, you're on your own. Mechanics tip. If you feel it, usually a simple transmission fluid flush with the correct Toyota WS fluid fixes it. If it doesn't, you might need a software update or a new torque converter. Always test drive it at medium speeds. Interior materials. The LE trim is built to last, but the dashboard and door panels can sometimes get sticky if the car spent its life in a hot climate like Arizona or Florida. Touch the dash. If it feels like melting plastic, keep looking for a cleaner example. Water pump. Like most Toyotas, the water pump is a wear item. Around 120,000 miles, look for pink crusty leaks. It's a cheap and easy fix, but if you ignore it, you'll overheat that legendary engine. In 2026, the 2014 Camry LE isn't a status symbol. It's a financial freedom symbol. It's comfortable, the AC is ice cold, and it handles the road with a predictable, soft grace. It's the car that lets you sleep at night knowing your morning commute is guaranteed. If you find one with a documented service history, buy it, change the oil every 5,000 miles, and enjoy a car that will still be running when your neighbor's 2026 lease is in the scrapyard. If the Camry is the king, the 2015 Toyota Corolla LE is the soldier that never quits. In 2026, while modern economy cars are getting smaller engines and more plastic parts, this Corolla stands as the last of the overbuilt small sedans. It's the kind of car you buy for your kids' college years and end up driving yourself for the next decade because it simply refuses to break. Under the hood is the 1.8-liter 2ZRFE. This is arguably one of the most reliable 4-cylinder engines ever put into production. It's been around so long that every mechanic from New York to Tokyo can fix it with their eyes closed. It doesn't have a turbo, it doesn't have complicated tech. It just has 132 horsepower of pure, unadulterated stamina. The mechanic's reality check. Now, even a legend like the Corolla has a few insider details you need to know before buying. The CVT transmission. 2015 was one of the early years for the CVT in the Corolla. While Toyota's CVTs are miles ahead of the competition, they still need clean fluid. Mechanic's tip. If the car has over 60,000 miles and the fluid hasn't been changed, do it immediately. Ignore the lifetime fluid claim from the dealer. No fluid lasts forever. A $150 fluid change every 60,000 miles will save you a $5,000 transmission later. The water pump. Weep. Just like the Camry, these 1.8-liter engines can have water pumps that start leaking pink, crusty fluid around the 100,000 mark. It's an easy Saturday morning DIY job, but vital for keeping the engine cool. Road noise. Let's be real. The Corolla LE isn't a Lexus. It can be a bit loud on the highway. If you hear a humming noise that gets louder with speed, it's usually not the engine. It's the rear wheel bearings. They are a common wear item on this generation, but they are cheap and easy to swap out. Interior fan noise. Sometimes the blower motor for the AC can start chirping or clicking. It's usually just a leaf or debris that got past the cabin filter. Change your cabin filter every year, and you'll avoid this annoying sound. In 2026, the 2015 Corolla LE is the ultimate hedge against inflation. It's cheap to insure, cheap to fuel, and almost impossible to kill. It's not going to win any drag races, but it will win the race of longevity every single time. If you want a car that allows you to forget your mechanic's phone number, this is the one. In 2026, the used SUV market is a minefield of fragile turbochargers and expensive air suspensions. But then, there is the 2015 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This isn't just a crossover, it is a masterclass in keep-it-simple engineering. This was the era before Toyota went all in on hybrids and complex tech for the RAV4, making it arguably the most reliable generation ever built. Under the hood, you get the same 2.5-liter 2ARFE engine that we praised in the Camry. In the RAV4, it's paired with a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. No CVT, no dual-clutch headaches, just a bulletproof torque converter automatic that shifts smooth and lasts forever. Whether you're doing the school run or a light off-road trail, this powertrain is practically unkillable. The mechanic's reality check. The RAV4 is a tank, but even tanks have maintenance points. Here is what you and your mechanic need to look for. The power liftgate. Since this is the limited trim, it comes with the power tailgate. Over time, the struts can get tired and make a groaning noise or refuse to close. Mechanic's tip. Don't let the dealer charge you $1,000 for this. You can find high-quality aftermarket struts for $150 and swap them in 20 minutes with a screwdriver. The AWD Vicus coupler. If you are buying the all-wheel drive version, listen for a whining or humming noise from the rear while driving. This is the rear differential coupling. If it's making noise, it needs to be replaced. To prevent this, make sure you change your rear differential fluid every 40,000 miles. Radio reboots. Some owners report the touchscreen system occasionally freezing or rebooting. Usually, a simple SD card update or a software flash from the dealer fixes it. It's a minor tech glitch in an otherwise perfect mechanical machine. Firm ride. One thing to note, the 2015 Limited comes with 18-inch wheels. It handles great, but the ride is a bit firm. If you want more comfort, check the tires. Moving to a high-quality touring tire can transform this SUV into a cloud. In 2026, the 2015 RAV4 Limited is the ultimate used SUV hack. You get the leather-trimmed seats, the premium JBL audio, and the sunroof, but you don't get the repair bills that usually come with luxury. It's a vehicle that holds its value better than almost anything on the road. Find one with under 120,000 miles, and you've just bought a car that will easily serve you for another decade. Now we're moving from daily drivers to a machine that can literally outlast a house. In 2026, while modern trucks are struggling with tiny, twin-turbo V6s that sound like vacuum cleaners, the 2014 Toyota Tundra is the last of the Mohicans. It's powered by the legendary 5.7-liter iForce 5.8. This is the same engine that famously reached 1 million miles in two different Tundras, one in 2016 and another in 2019. If you want a truck that doesn't know how to quit, this is your holy grail. Why is it so reliable? Because Toyota engineered this V8 with zero fancy tricks. No turbochargers, no complicated cylinder deactivation, just massive amounts of cooling and heavy-duty internals. It's a 381 horsepower tank that will tow your boat, haul your wood, and still be ready for a road trip the next day. But even an Immortal V8 has a few Achilles heels your mechanic needs to check. The mechanic's reality check. Before you buy this beast, have your mechanic put it on a lift and look for these 4 things. The cam tower leak. This is the most famous issue with the 5.7-liter V8. Look at the back of the engine near the cylinder heads. If you see oil seeping or smelling like it's burning on the exhaust, you have a cam tower leak. Mechanic's tip. If it's just sweating, leave it alone. But if it's dripping, it's a big job, about $3,000 to $4,000, because you have to pull a lot of parts to reseal it. Use it as a huge negotiating tool. Secondary air injection system. This is an emissions component that can fail and put the truck into limp mode. Toyota fixed this in later years, but on a 2014, if it fails, the dealer will charge you $2,000. The secret fix? There are aftermarket bypass kits for about $450 that solve this permanently in 30 minutes. Ask your mechanic if they can install one. The bed rust, bed bolts. If the truck lived in the salt belt, snowy states, check the bolts holding the truck bed to the frame. They can rust out, making the bed feel loose. It's an easy fix, but a sign of how much salt the truck has seen. Fuel pump. Recall. There was a major recall for the fuel pump on 2014 to 2015 models. Check the VIN. If it hasn't been done, a Toyota dealer will still do it for free in 2026. Don't pay for a repair that's covered by Toyota. In 2026, the 2014 Tundra is the smartest truck buy on the planet. Yes, it drinks gas like it's at an open bar. Expect 13 to 15 miles per gallon. But you'll never have a $10,000 engine or transmission bill. You pay for the gas, but you save on the heart attacks. Find one that hasn't been abused, and you're looking at a truck that your grandkids might still be driving. I know what you're thinking, a minivan? But hear me out. In 2026, the 2016 Toyota Sienna is the best-kept secret in the used car market. While families are struggling with cramped, unreliable three-row SUVs that have tiny engines and massive price tags, the smart money is buying this. This is the Lexus of minivans. It's built on the same foundation as the Lexus RX, and it is designed to transport your most precious cargo for decades. Under the hood is the legendary 3.5-liter 2GRFE V6. This engine is royalty. It's the last year before Toyota switched to the more complex direct injection system in the Sienna, making the 2016 model the sweet spot. It's smooth, it's powerful, and it doesn't have the carbon buildup issues of newer engines. If you want a 300,000-mile vehicle, this is the one. Plus, it's the only minivan in its class that offered all-wheel drive, AWD, making it a legitimate alternative to any SUV in the snow. The mechanic's reality check. It's a Toyota, but it's a big, heavy machine. Here is what you need to inspect before the family road trip. The sliding door motors. These are the most common nuisance repairs. If the power doors struggle to close or make a grinding noise, the motor or the cables are tired. Mechanic's tip. Don't let the dealer replace the whole assembly for $1,500. Usually, you can just replace the motor or the cable kit for $200 in a few hours of labor. Or just turn off the power function and use them manually. They'll never break again. Oil cooler pipe. Some of these V6 engines had a rubber oil cooler line that could fail. Most have been replaced with the updated metal pipe by now, but check the passenger side of the engine for any oil leaks. If it's still rubber, have your mechanic swap it for the metal one immediately. It's a $100 part that prevents a blown engine. A WD run flat tires. If you get the AWD version, it doesn't come with a spare tire. It uses run flats. They are expensive, and the ride is a bit stiff. Pro tip. Many Sienna owners swap these for regular tires and carry a flat repair kit or a donut spare in the trunk. It makes the car ride like a luxury limo. Transmission fluid. The 6-speed automatic in the 2016 is very reliable, but it's moving a lot of weight. If you're towing or driving in the mountains, change that fluid every 60,000 miles to keep the shifts buttery smooth. In 2026, the 2016 Sienna isn't just a van, it's a fortress. It has more interior space than a Chevy Suburban, the reliability of a Corolla, and the engine of a Lexus. It is the ultimate life hack for anyone who values their family's safety and their bank account's health. Find one with a clean history, and you've just won the car buying game.